Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this new Blender lesson, and today we are going to make some cool abstract scene. So as you can see right here, we have this cool scene, and we are going to make this step by step in Blender. So I've opened the basic Blender setup right now, so it's the general user interface, and what I'll do is that I'll just select default cube and then press S, Z, and then increase it. Yeah. Okay, so what I'll need you to do is that I'll need you to download JS placement. So you can find the link in the description. It's totally free, and you need to download that app for the next step. So once you've downloaded, just go to JS placement, and right here, this is the main user interface. So just select this box, classic, and right here, and go into presets, gnarly. Yeah, so this looks good, and just toggle colorizer. I'm going to select something like this. You can choose anything you want, it's not really important. So just save these two maps, so save color and save height. Okay, so just save color. Okay, so I've saved both of them, and okay, so I've downloaded both of them, and right now I'll just open a new tab. So let's just go to this point and just drag it here, share editor, right here press N, and okay, so as you can see I have a dual monitor setup, so I'll just drag both of the height map and the color map from my document. So you can just add them specifically if you want. Okay, just let me add them. So right here I've dragged it, and here I have it. What you can do is that you can go add texture and image texture. So it's the same thing, just open your image on the whatever file location you have it. So right now I'll just open the height also. So this is the color map. I'll just plug the color into base color. Yeah, and I'll just plug this into something known as bump. It's a vector node, so just go to vector, bump, here, normal, color, height, and what you can do is that, okay, just let me show you what it looks like currently. So this is our scene, and what we can do is that we can add something called emission. So it's pretty obvious. Just let me go to EEVEE, yeah, and press shift A, then shader, mix shader, emission, plug this in here, and then select the height, shift D, so shift duplicate. So yeah, right here, shift A, converter, color ramp, plug the color into factor and the color into factor. Alright, doesn't really matter if you put either of them. So right now I'll just select something like 10 and something like maybe blue, and then right here just drag it across. So drag the color into factor. Yeah, okay, so this looks good. As you can see, it's not matching, so let us just select the red one. So go here, it's like completely red. So yeah, this is fine. Okay, so something like this, and then go to your world settings, color, drag it down really low, so completely black. And then what you can do is that here you can see object, so just select it and go to world. Okay, so we are going to make this space. So yeah, shift A, texture, noise, factor is around 600, and plug the color into color. Right now go shift A, converter, color ramp. Okay, so what I've done is that I've added another color gray. You can just add it by pressing plus, and it'll just distinguish the stars some more. So let me just decrease the factor and then increase the strength. Okay, so this looks good. Yeah, just a bit more. Yeah, this is good. So what we can do is right now is that we can go modifiers, select this, add modifier, displace, new, this section here, image and movie, open, and select that height you just downloaded. So I have the height I downloaded here. Okay, so this looks good. And next thing we can do is that we can add a volume scatter node. So go to shader and volume scatter. This is the world settings, so just plug it into here, and everything should just vanish. So as you can see, yeah. Okay, so it's working well. Just select noise, something 22, increase the detail a bit, the color into color, and just do it a bit like, yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is really good, and just select the density to point, I don't know, 0.2. Alright, so this is the point light, and this we can replace this, or yeah, maybe we can use this. So just select this G, just select the light with G, okay, go here, decrease the radius, something like, yeah, and select the color, go here, this, and what we can do is that we can add another sun. So yeah, you go light, sun, and here we can add something a bit bluish, or maybe green. Nah, I guess blue is fine. And right here we have a pretty cool scene. Okay, so what we can do is that we select the object. Okay, you were in the world settings, go to the object settings, select this, and what we can do is that we can select this and press Ctrl T. We'll get something like this. Okay, for this you need to go to edit, preferences, and type in node. So you'll get node arrange, node presets, and node wrangler. Enable node wrangler, and then you can select this and press Ctrl T, and these mapping and texture nodes will appear. So what we can do is that we can increase the scale, I guess, increase the scale for more detail. Yeah, and plug this into this. Okay, so this is far more detailed than that, and yeah, there you have it. There's your scene. So I don't know, maybe you can just add a camera. Wait a second, just you have the default camera, and press Ctrl Alt 0. Here you have it. Here's your camera. Go to camera view, select your camera, go to this menu, go to viewer display, and right here enable this and opacity too. Yeah, okay, press N, and right in the view select camera to view, or you have to select the camera and then you can press N and camera to view, and right here just, I don't know, something like, okay, so this looks good. What we do is that we'll render this. Okay, that's super cool. Okay, so the one thing that we can do in this setup is that we can select our camera, go to the camera settings, and yes, decrease the focal length to I guess 36 is perfect. Yeah. Okay, so you can go ahead and render out your scene. What I prefer is that turning bloom on and then just rendering it out. So yeah, this is like super cool. And then what you can do is that you can go to compositing, and right here you'll see nothing. Right here, just come here and enable use nodes, and then these two will appear. Just press this and control shift click, and you have the viewer. So what we can do is that we can add some lens distortion, and we particularly need dispersion. So so this value is like super cool. And then just come here, maybe go to filter, glare. Here you can experiment with things. So I guess that's pretty cool. So okay, so what I'll do is that I'll add fog glow and put some threshold like this. Oh, what the fuck. Yeah, that's super cool. And then we go to filter, add a filter here, maybe sharpen it a bit. Yeah, okay, this is like this scene is perfect. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, just subscribe to Astrofabric, and also go check out my Patreon. I'll upload this and many other files there. So thank you for watching.